Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm beginning a new series on juicing. I'm going to be making some orange juice, apple juice, pineapple juice, some tropical juice and also some vegetable juice such as beetroot, kale and ginger. For the fruit juice, I've got a bowl of variety of fruits. I have oranges, kiwi, some bananas, apples, and I have pineapple, some tropical fruits such as mangoes and pawpaw, that's papaya. I have some vegetables like beetroot, some carrots, tomatoes and cucumbers. I have kale and I've got some lemons and ginger, plus I've got some herbs like mint for flavors and some parsley. To make orange juice, I've got some oranges. Cut the orange into two. If you don't have this at home, I actually got this from a party. It's the juice out of the orange. You can also use the manual juicer. Just push the orange into the center and twist to get all the juice out of your orange. To serve the orange juice, just pour into a glass or a juice jug. You can serve with some ice cubes or plain as it is. For this glass, I've used 3 oranges. Enjoy.